Wash the meat, dry it and cut into large pieces. Heat off the meat, season with salt, pepper, stir and leave for 30 minutes. Chop onion and mushrooms. Place the meat on the oven tray. On top of the meat, lay onions and mushrooms. Lubricate everything with mayonnaise. We grate the cheese. Place the cheese on a baking sheet. Apply another layer of mayonnaise on top of the cheese. We send everything to a preheated oven up to 180 degrees. Try the meat, it should be soft and juicy. If not, put in the oven for a couple more minutes, until tender.